Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your freelance profile with PeoplePerHour, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your freelance profile on PeoplePerHour, start by logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile section, which is usually accessible from the top right corner of the screen. Look for the Profile tab in the drop-down menu. Click on it to access your profile overview. Next, locate the Edit Profile button. Click on this button to enter the editing mode for your profile. To reset your profile, you may want to refresh your profile photo first. Select Change Photo to upload a new, professional profile picture. After updating your photo, focus on your profile description. Clear any outdated information and rewrite it to reflect your current skills and services. Make sure to highlight your strengths and relevant experience in the new description. Next, review your skills section. Add any new skills you've acquired and remove any that are no longer applicable. Once you've updated your skills, check your portfolio. Remove outdated samples and add recent work that best showcases your capabilities. Then, take a look at your hourly rate. Adjust it if necessary to align with the current market standards or your experience level. After making all these changes, review your profile in its entirety. Ensure that it presents a cohesive and professional image. Once satisfied, click on the Save Changes button to finalize your updates. Your PeoplePerHour profile is now reset and ready for potential clients to view. Take some time to actively search for freelance opportunities that suit your skills. Engage with the community by sending proposals and bidding on projects. This proactive approach will help you gain visibility and connect with potential clients. Regularly revisit your profile to keep it up to date as your career evolves. This will ensure you remain competitive on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.